dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na o dani der der tani 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 tana dere na der din na o dani dilla dim tadare dani dim tadare dani dim tana dere na.
My name is Aditi Kohli. So we are very, very actually lucky and blessed to have this happening now. My name is Aditi Kohli, and when my sister Amrita requested me to be the MC for the evening, I didn't realize that I would be discovering such a beautiful journey. The journey of a child who has been immersed in the sadhana of dance so diligently and consistently for the last 9 years. A child whose eyes shine, mind relaxes as she feels happiest, strong and confident when she is performing on stage, especially when she performed at the Siddhi Vinayak temple, at various events for the family, at her school, with utmost grace and poise, expressing the inner and outer beauty of her true self. A child who is now bloomed into this amazing young adult as she completes one era of her school life and Odissi dance training, ready to fly ahead and embark to the next era of college life abroad. To honor her sincere dedication and passion this evening and make it truly a mesmerizing experience for all of us, may I humbly request each one to kindly turn to the person beside you and greet them, and also help them to put their mobile phones on silent. Let's not get the mobile buzzes disturbing our concentration and our, journey today. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you. So we have in store for us 5 beautiful dance recitals by Amanya, and she's worked so hard to present them before us today. And as we move on to her dance recitals, I take this opportunity to warmly welcome our chief guest for the evening. Please put your hands together for Amanya's first teacher, Srimati Vasundhara Gupta. Vasundhara ma'am has sowed the seeds of her love for dance at the tender age of 9 when Amanya was in Kolkata. Thank you, ma'am, for your loving presence. And let's also open our hearts and welcome Amanya's guru, Srimati Ashaji Nambiar from Mumbai, who's trained her in Mumbai and flown all the way to Kolkata to conduct the Manch Pravesh. So now can we request Uncle, Mr. Daljit Singh Sahni, Amanya's grandfather, to please come up on stage and bless Amanya and the program with his beautiful words. Thank you, Uncle.
Hello, everyone. As you know, my name, I've been asked to say something about Amanya. Amanya was a very precocious child right from her birth. The day she was born, and they took her out of the maternity ward, and she was going past us, she picked up her head and winked at us. So, and ever since she came to our family has only done better and better. And I don't know whether she has blessed us or the gods have blessed us. And through her, at the age of 10, was the first year that she acted in a play in Kalamandir for her school, La Martinia, in which she was the bully. And I thought that today they might ask me to say something about Odyssey. So I peeked into Google, but it was a waste of time. So I will bless Amanya and thank her teacher. Thank you very much for coming. And her parents for bringing up such a wonderful child. Thank you. Good evening.
Thank you so much, Uncle, for sharing such beautiful stories of Amanya and your blessings. Let's talk a little bit about Odissi. So Odissi is an ancient Indian classical dance from Orissa, and it is traditionally a performing art where the artist and the musicians, they depict a spiritual or devotional message using body movements of pure dance form and symbolic costumes set out in ancient Sanskrit literature. The Manch Pravesh is a graduation ceremony for students of the Odissi dance, where they perform solo for the first time on stage. It is a culmination of their sadhana of at least 8 to 9 years of intense practice. It is a valued parampara that signifies the commitment and bonding between Guru and Shishya. Every Odissi recital begins with a salutation to God and Pushpanjali offered to Lord Jagannath, the Lord of the universe, popularly worshipped by the people of Orissa. This item is a traditional invocatory dance style where devotional communication is established with the stage, which symbolizes Mother Earth, which the entire performance is held. The dancer pays homage to Lord Ganesh to seek freedom from obstructions and hindrances in all aspects of life, followed by seeking blessings from God, their Guru, and the audience for immaculate performance. Presenting to you Amanya for Mangalacharan, choreographed by Sri Ratikant Mohapatra ji, Tal, Adi Tal and Ek Tal, Rag based on Ahir Bhairav, music composition by Lakshmikant Palit ji. Let's welcome Amanya for her first performance.
जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन जगन्नाथ स्वामी नयन पथगामी भवतु मे
तारी खिट थे थलांग तत्ता तत्ता तकता तत्ता तकता तत्ता तकता ता थों ता कड़ तक धनी गन थे
वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा लम्बोदर नमोस्तुभ्यं शततं मोदक प्रिय लम्बोदर नमोस्तुभ्यं शततं मोदक प्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुंड महाकाय सूर्यकोटि समप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा लम्बोदर नमोस्तुभ्यं शततं सततं मोदकप्रिय लम्बोदर नमोस्तुभ्यं शततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभा निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा लम्बोदर नमोस्तुभ्यं शततं मोदकप्रिय लम्बोदर नमोस्तुभ्यं शततं मोदकप्रिय निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा
I was sitting backstage, and you know what thought came to me just now? It was like with every clap, can we just send her so much of love and appreciation? Can we just do that with a big smile? Such amazing work. Amazing. So beautiful. Going on to the next recital this evening, called Mohana Pallavi. The word Pallavi literally means elaboration. Pallavi is the nrita, or the pure dance piece. Dance movements of lyrical grace are set in soft lilting rag and dance to the rhythmic structure of the tal. Pallavi affords the dancer the freedom to evolve subtle variations running parallel with music. The tempo of the music and the dance is low in the beginning and rises to a crescendo to conclude. So presenting the next recital with Amanya, called Mohana Pallavi, choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelu Charan Mohapatra ji, Tal Triputa, Rag Mohana, music composition by Pandit Bhuvaneshwar Mishra ji. Let's welcome Amanya.
Jenu
I have a small exercise for us to give her all the energy she needs to continue with the day. Are you with me? Can you touch your heart? Just touch your heart, close your eyes, and just look into Amanya's eyes and tell her how much you love her, how proud you are of her, and what a wonderful job she's doing. She's amazing. God bless you. Just give her all your love, all your positive energy. Thank you so much for that. Thank you. Lovely. So no Odyssey recital is complete without an Abhinay. An Abhinay is an emotive and expressive dance which conveys a particular mood, theme or story. Coming up next is Tolagi Gop Dand, which is a traditional Odia composition by poet Vanmali Das, based on the playful banter between Radha and Krishna. In this Abhinay, Krishna sneaks into Radha's house and requests her to go with him to the banks of the Yamuna river. Radha warns Krishna not to move on the streets of Gopapura, troubling the gopis with his naughtiness and pranks. Every day Krishna stops the gopis demanding butter and milk, and if they refuse, he criticizes them. To teach him a lesson, Radha pretends to be angry with him and wants him to leave the house, secretly enjoying his playfulness and divine company. Presenting to you the next recital, Tolagi Gopdanda, Rag Paramparik, Tal Rupak, choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelu Charan Mohapatra ji, music composition by Shri Bhuvaneshwar Mishra ji. Let's put our hands together for Amanya for the next recital. Thank you.
जीवी जमुना रे कालिया सुना तो लगी गोपदांड मना नित्य ही बाट जाऊ रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ नित्य ही बाट जाऊ रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ रे कालिया नित्य ही बाटे जाऊ घाटर कौड़ी मागिले कालिया घाटर कौड़ी मागिले कालिया मुरली बजाऊ मुरली बजाऊ रे कालिया मुरली बजाऊ रे कालिया मुरली बजाऊ रे कालिया सुना तो लगी गोपदांड मना तू ही बड़ा घर पुअरे कालिया मुही बड़ा घर मुही बड़ा घर मुही बड़ा घर तू ही बड़ा घर पुअरे कालिया मुही बड़ा घर मुही बड़ा घर शरम तो मुखे नाही रे कालिया शरम तो मुखे नाही रे कालिया मरम कथाटी शरम तो मुखे नाही रे कालिया मरम कथाटी
is our great honor to have with us some of the finest musicians creating a magical evening for us today. May we have a warm round of applause for all our beautiful musicians here. Thank you so much for being here. So may I request Amrita and Harmeet to kindly come up on stage to please come forward with the gifts so that they are felicitated with a token of love. On the Mardad, we have Shri G. Ram Prasad from Mumbai. Thank you, sir, for coming here, and you're doing such a fantastic job this evening. Thank you so much. Thank you. For the vocal, we have Shri Jatin Sahu, also from Mumbai. Thank you, sir. You have magic in your voice. Thank you so much. Amazing. On the violin, we have Shri Siddharth Sarkar, all the way from Tripura. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. On the sitar, we have Shri Sukhumay Bhattacharya from our own city of Joy, Kolkata. Thank you, thank you. Dhanyabad. And on the flute, we have Shri Shekhar Deori, also from Kolkata. Dhanyabad. Thank you so much. Last but not the least, on the manjira, sitting in one little corner, is Guru Srimati Asha Ji Nambyar from Mumbai, without who the program would not be possible. Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence, for your support, for your love. Thank you to Asha ma'am and the entire group. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much. So heartfelt gratitude to each one of you. And we would also like to take this opportunity to express our thanks to Dibyendu Da for the special makeup and the hair for Amanya. Thank you, Dibyendu Da. He's getting her ready for the next part of the program. We extend our thanks to Bablu Da of ICCR for fantastic lights and sound arrangement. Thank you, Bablu Da, and thank you, his team. Bablu Da, are you here?
Yes. Bablu Da.
Bablu Bhaiya is not here, but Bablu Da is here. Thank you, Bablu Da. This is not the end of the program. This is part 2 is coming up. So we are just felicitating everyone now. Thank you, Sunena Agarwal, are you here, of Desi Lantern, for the beautiful floral arrangements. You have mesmerized our senses with these beautiful flowers. Thank you so much. Thank you, Ankit Nevetya and team, for filming the event, the entire program, and capturing these special memories for us. We look forward to seeing the footages and the reels. Thank you so much. As Amanya gets ready to perform the next part of the program, which is 2 dance recitals, can you imagine? She has already performed 3 dance recitals, one after the other, and now she's going to perform 2 more. So may I invite on stage Vasundhara ma'am to kindly share a few words about Amanya's initial step into the world of the dance. And when she's here, may I request Amrita and Harmeet to please felicitate Vasundhara ma'am with a small token of our love and appreciation. Vasundhara ma'am, please.
Really humbled at this honor that you've bestowed upon me. This family has been known to us for quite some time now. I'm so happy to see this little girl who had come into my life years back, blossom into such a wonderful dancer. Asha ji, you've done wonders with her. I remember this little girl when she came to our academy. We saw her and we fell in love with her. है ना? We have two staff members of the academy who will also say the same thing. So this little girl, when we saw her, we could make out that she has something special in her. And this talent which she had in her, I just expressed that to her mother and also specifically told her that this child has got something in her. Please see that she follows this up. And that's what they have done. So when she was leaving Kolkata, we were so unhappy. But then when we heard about the fact that she is following this up and with such a great guru, I'm really happy to see. Today, you know, Amanya has performed two very, very difficult numbers. Mohana, Guru Keluchan Mahapatra's own choreography, very, very difficult item. And also Tolagi, very beautifully done, I must say. And I'm so happy to see that she's doing so well under you, Asha ji. And a lot of my blessings for a bright future to dear Amanya. But you know something, Manch Pravesh is not an easy thing to happen in a performer's life. First of all, it is a backing of the family members which brings a young dancer to this stage. I think we should all put our hands together and I mean, this is amazing what the parents have done for this little kid. Thank you very much for inviting me. I'm so happy to be here today.
Thank you, ma'am. That was so moving. That was so touching. And a big, big thank you to each one who's seated here. Each one of you are special in our lives, in Amanya's life, to be here. So a big round of applause for each one present here today. Thank you so much for being here. Now I have someone special coming up who wants to share her little stories. Amanya's little sister, Naisha. Naisha, come up. Tell us what was going on behind the scenes when Amanya was dancing. What is going on about this? Tell us a little more. So let's welcome Naisha.
So I've seen Amanya dance her whole life. From the second that she would sit in the room, she would open this dance channel and start copying all these hook steps of these Bollywood dancers. From that, she's grown so much and performing in this auspicious and fabulous Manch Pravesh that she's worked so incredibly hard for. I would know how hard she's worked because that's all I've heard since the past 2-3 months. These songs, the stomping of her feet, not letting me sleep. But apart from all of that, she's worked so hard. She's put so many hours into this. And I'll tell you one thing about Amanya. As a person, she is so dedicated towards everything that she does that she makes sure that she's the best in whatever she does and doesn't let anyone else reach that point. And she's just worked so hard for this, and we all are so proud of her and love to her and from Mama Papa as well. So yeah, thank you.
My God, a sister's love. You cannot even, there's no other love than sister's love. And it's like the worst and it's the best. I know what I'm talking about. Amrita, are you listening? Okay. Now next, I would like to invite on stage Amanya's dance partner and dear friend all the way from Mumbai. She has flown in, Elisha, come and tell us your stories, your experiences with Amanya. Let's welcome Elisha.
So, hi, I'm Elisha, Amanya's friend from Bombay. We have been batchmates since she moved to Bombay and have been learning C together under Miss Asha's guidance. So, I very vividly remember the 10 minutes before our Odissi dance classes where Amanya and I would watch YouTube videos of other dancers from their Manch Pravesh to revise the dance we were supposed to learn in our class in our attempts to meet Asha's Miss Asha's standards of perfection. And now I can't believe that we are here at Amanya's Manch Pravesh. It makes me so proud to see her perform those very dances that we learned, at times in person and at times on a small 15-inch screen during COVID, where the bad internet was always a savior if we forgot a step. Having a buddy to do Odissi with has been helpful and fun, and I'm so happy that I could be a part of Amanya's journey, and I'm very proud of her on this milestone moment. Congratulations, Amanya.
It's so amazing to have someone, to go forward with the journey together. So it's so amazing to have that partner. Next up, I would like to invite Harmeet, Amanya's dad, to talk about his angel.
Yeah, good evening, and thank you everyone for making it for this auspicious occasion. Let's actually come a full circle, starting her dance in Calcutta, moving to Bombay, and then coming back to Calcutta for the Manch Pravesh. So I think it all finally, fits into place. Manya, like Anisha said, has been extremely, extremely dedicated, right? We've seen her work endlessly and tirelessly through the years, starting in Calcutta and then, of course, all the way in Bombay, through COVID, into that 15-inch screen, like a friend mentioned. And of course on holidays, it's been amazing how she's not missed her classes. She's been carrying her laptops and doing these video classes with her teacher. And it's been amazing, we've actually skipped lunches and dinners to ensure that her classes actually never got missed. Right? I think that really reflects on how she's performed today. Of course, a big thank you to her two gurus, and without which, she would not be here. Vasundhara ji, thank you for putting her out there on the stage in front during your programs, which she would look forward to most. She would work the hardest to make sure that she was right in front, right? I think that's also something which is being reflected. And Asha ji, thank you for your tireless hours. I've seen you working endlessly with her, and it's been an honor and privilege to have you at our home. Thank you so much again for being here. Like they say, right, behind every successful man there is a woman, but we forget that behind every successful child there's a parent. And I think for this one, I don't take any credit, and I give all the credit to Amrita for being so dedicated to the cause and ensuring that Amanya gets all her classes in time, and of course her endless effort to ensure that this evening turned out to be so beautiful. So thank you all, and please enjoy the rest of the show.
The fourth recital this evening is an Abhinay called Dash Avatar. Dash Avatar, yes. It's amazing. I've seen her practice it. It's really beautiful. So as the name implies, it depicts the 10 incarnations or avatars of Lord Vishnu. This recital indicates the Supreme assuming these 10 avatars of the cosmic power in order to save the world when it was in peril. The 10 incarnations are, you remember the first one? Matsya, the fish. The second one was Kashyap or turtle, right. The third one, Varaha, Shukar, wild boar. The fourth one, Narsimha. Wow, I can't even see this brilliant person who knows all the avatars. Vasundhara ma'am, wow, amazing. Narsimha, oh, half man, half lion. And the, which one was this? Number 5, Vaman or dwarf. Number 6, Parashuram. Number 7, Maryada Purushottam, Ram. Number 8, Krishna or Balram. Number 9, Buddha, the enlightened one. And number 10, has it come? No, we are awaiting for the 10th avatar to appear, which will avenge all sins on earth. So presenting, fantastic. So hold your breath, presenting Dasha Avatar, choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelu Charan Mohapatra ji, Tal Jhampa, Rag Mohana, music composition by Pandit Bhuvaneshwar Mishra ji.
जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे जय जगदीश हरे
Can you hear me? Yeah. Wow, that was awesome, wasn't it? It was really, really beautiful. So before we have the last recital of this evening and Amanya completes her Manch Pravesh, we joyously invite her guru, Srimati Ashaji Nambiar, to hand over the graduation certificate and share her love and blessings for her dear Shishya. Let's have a big, big round of applause. It's an amazing, amazing. Ma'am, would you like to share a
Namaste, and a very, very good evening to one and all present here to celebrate Amanya's Manch Pravesh. Manch Pravesh, as we all know, is graduation, accomplishment of her dance course. But I have always been saying to all my students that Manch Pravesh is just the beginning of a dancer's career as a solo dancer. It's not the end. I truly believe that dance is just a means to share views between generations and teach children how to adhere to traditions and respect our culture. It was a great pleasure teaching Amanya Odissi for a short tenure of 5 to 7 years. She always took pride in mentioning about all her performances with her dear teacher, her first teacher, Vasundhara ji, and her school. Wow. And she and her mom both, they loved saying about all her performances. And I said, yes, we are going to do your Manch Pravesh in Calcutta amongst your family and your friends. So that's how we are here today. More than anything, it is your love, goodwill, prayers, guidance and support which Amanya will need significantly to carry her onward journey of a fulfilled life. I take this opportunity to thank Amanya's parents for having trust and believing in me and encouraging Amanya always. I would also like to thank our today's accompanying artist, without whom we would not have this evening would have not been a success. Thank you so much, all of you. Yeah, ladies and gentlemen, would request you all to shower your blessings on Amanya. So she has a great career ahead, and my message to her will be to please continue in your own way to explore the possibilities since they are endless in our life. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much.
When God gives ना, हम एक graduation certificate लेने आए थे, but can you imagine what is happening backstage? So we just got to know that Vasundhara ma'am has also got an award for Amanya today from Vasundhara Academy of Performing Arts. So Vasundhara ma'am, thank you so much for this beautiful gesture.
So Amanya, I am so proud of you. I am extremely happy to see how beautifully you have kept up this art of yours, and you followed it up. And as your Guruji has said, this is just the beginning. Okay? So you must remember that. And from our side, I am awarding Amanya the title of Nritya Malika.
Guru's love is truly precious, right? And we have two gurus standing by Amanya, so what more do we need? So now for the last performance this evening, every Odyssey recital concludes with moksha. The dancer aims for moksha or eternal salvation through her dance and song and offers her entire being to the Supreme Paramatma in final flourish with the chanting of the universal Bij Mantra, Om, presenting moksha, choreographed by Padma Vibhushan Guru Kelucharan Mahapatra ji, Tal Ektali Rag Bhairavi.
मंगल मांगल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थ साधिके शरण्ये त्र्यंबके गौरी नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी
Superb. What a fantastic labor of love. Amazing. How many hours she's practiced to see that, she could perform 1 hour straight. Let's have a bigger round of applause for Manya. Fantastic work. We also want to felicitate Dibinduda. Amrita, can you come and felicitate Dibinduda? He made our child transform into such a gorgeous Odissi dancer. Thank you, Dibinduda. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Lovely. And we would like to hear from Amanya herself. What has been your journey, Amanu?
Well, first of all, I'd just like to thank everyone for taking the time out and coming today. It means a lot to me. Yeah. So today I just want to say thank you to everyone. This moment would not have been possible without the unwavering support and encouragement of so many wonderful individuals in my life. First and foremost, I would like to extend my deepest gratitude to Miss Asha. Your guidance, patience, and expertise have molded me into the dancer that I am today. Thank you for investing so much of your time and energy in my growth and for constantly inspiring me to strive for excellence. Thank you to all the incredible musicians without whom this dance could not have been brought to life. I also want to acknowledge all the time and effort that you put into preparing for this Manch Pravesh, and especially to those who've traveled all the way from Bombay for this. Thank you to Vasundhara ma'am for coming and being the start of my Odissi journey, and for the other wonderful teachers present.
Thank you so much to all the incredible teachers in your academy that have shaped me, and I wouldn't be here without them. To Mama, Papa, and Aisha, your unwavering support has been the bedrock of my dance journey, and I cannot express how deeply appreciative I am for everything that you've done for me. To Dada and Dadi, thank you for gracing this performance with your presence. Your love and support have also been a pillar of strength for me throughout my journey, and I'm sure Nana and Nani would have also loved to come for my performance, and I'm really missing them today here. And last but certainly not the least, I'd like to thank all my family and friends who've taken the time out of their busy lives to be here today. Your presence means the world to me, and your support has also been a source of inspiration and motivation, and I'm truly blessed to have you by my side. To each and every one of you, even everyone here who's part of the ICCR crew who played a part, whether it's big or small, in my dance journey and in this Manch Pravesh, I offer my sincerest gratitude. Thank you for everyone in believing in me and for being a part of this unforgettable moment. Once again, thank you for being here today, and your love and support have made all the difference. I'm truly grateful. Thank you.
Not to forget Amanya's Masi. Thank you so much for.
Thank you for being the best compare I could have asked.
Yes. Thank you so much. Without you also, we wouldn't have. This evening would have not been possible. Thank you.
एकदम भाल
So before we conclude the evening, can we do a small prayer for all our children as parents, as family? Can we just do a small prayer and bless all our children to bloom and be the best that they can be in this lifetime? Can we just fold our hands and close our eyes, and all the children that we have in our lives, whether they are our own or our siblings' children or our neighbors' children, all the children of the world, may you all bloom and grow and glow and be the best you can be. So God bless you all in your journey, and thank you so much for coming in our lives and spreading so much joy. Thank you, Amanya, for this beautiful evening. Nana Nani are definitely showering their blessings. And thank you so much to all the family and friends. Amrita, you cannot not speak on the mic. Please, Amrita, we want to hear you. Say something. She has been shying away from the mic. You have to conclude. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for your patience.
This has been such a proud moment for all of us, and we are blessed that we could really have this Manch Pravesh, and thank you all for coming. I was very keen to do this in Calcutta, and I'm glad that we did it here. Thank you so much, Amanya. You did a wonderful job. You were absolutely amazing. And thank you to Asha ji, to Vasundhara ji, to all the musicians, to everybody. Thank you so much. It was wonderful. I just don't have words. Thank you.